Hello everyone. In this video we will see at how we can check the clock in and clock out report of any user or for all users. To check in report, go to the reports. Under reports, go to login and device info, and under there click on clock in clock out report. So under that we have two kind of reports. One is monthly clock in clock out report, which will provide you the report month wise of a user you want to check based on that. And the other report is clock in clock out report. Here you can filter it out report on the basis of today, yesterday, or what a filter you want to check, and for what users, whether you want to check report for any one user or all users can be checked from this. And we have one more report section here which comes under field management report. Under user report we have monthly field activity report. This report is considered for the field teams who has gone into the field. Okay, so they can check. Here it will show, like here it is showing the report for Harry Singh for a monthly field visits, that how many field visits he has done, how many field visits were there, average, his average working hour, and total working hours. Thank you.